everyone, Maree here from Beauty in Seoul.
And Judy, chef, restaurateur, wellness enthusiast, and skincare junkies. Skincare junkies.
Welcome back to KCHATS. The first episode, we thought we'd kind of ease in with probably a KBeauty product that everyone is familiar with, and that
Sheetmasks.
is sheet masks.
I've been doing sheet masks forever.
How regularly do you use sheet masks?
I do one once a week, but when I'm on vacation or I'm traveling a lot, I will probably do 2 or 3 a week.
Yeah, I probably sheet mask around 3 times a week.
Wow,
yeah,
that's good.
Yeah,
and it's super easy.
Yeah.
And I like the ones that really stick because then you can just be on your laptop. You can do whatever you want. You can walk around your apartment and vacuum, and it stays on your head. No, seriously, because it's all about time.
Yeah.
And if you gotta lie down for half an hour and not do anything with something wet on your face,
no, I can't do that.
Yeah,
and we'll get into some tips around, how best to use them, because I know a lot of people think that you should keep them on for like hours until they dry up, and no.
So insider tips and tricks.
Yes.
So we've tried all of these. This is a selection that Maree put together.
Yeah. So I bought 5 sheet masks, probably each designed for either a certain skin type or known for something in particular. And these 5 are kind of my regular go-to sheet masks. Like, I will have backups of these 5 in my sheet mask drawer. Yes, I have a sheet mask drawer. And so, yeah.
And I have a sheet mask drawer in my refrigerator.
Yes.
Also, keep them cold.
Yeah.
Extra cooling. That's another
especially in
tip
this
and
state, it's like 32
Exactly.
degrees today.
Exactly.
So.
Yeah, that's like
Tip
90 something if those of you who are in Fahrenheit land. Like myself. I still don't know if it's hot or cold sometimes. Anyway.
So yeah, I asked Judy to kindly give these ones a go.
Yeah.
And so we're just gonna get stuck in. So the first mask we're talking about is Eclair's Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask. So this one looks a bit scary when you put it on. So it's a charcoal mask. It is black fabric.
I loved it.
Yeah.
Actually, out of all of them, this was probably my favorite one.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Judy has combination skin. I lean towards more dry skin. So I like using this one either in the summer when my skin feels really clogged up. So this is a great one to use if you're looking at kind of pore care, or you've got combination oily skin, or you're breaking out. As the name suggests, calming sheet mask. It also has centella, which is one of my favorite ingredients, known as an anti-inflammatory. So if you suffer from redness on your skin, this helps soothes it. And it also feels quite cooling on the skin, this one.
Yeah, I just found it to be very brightening. And also, like, I have oily T area, so blackheads galore, like, sucking out all the oil and everything. That's like the solution to fossil fuels, is like my face. Just all the oil that comes out, but it's all just coming out of T-zone land. And so I found this to be really, really purifying, detoxifying, and it just kind of sucked out everything, but also really, really brightening, as well as hydrating where I needed it.
Yeah, okay, that's interesting. This is also a really good option and very popular with those suffering from acne, or if you have any blemishes, kind of that time of the month. It has really soothing ingredients, like I said, centella asiatica, but also willow bark extract.
Willow bark extract.
Yeah. Which is willow bark.
Oh, willow bark extract. Okay.
So again, known to kind of soothe the skin, anti-redness as well. So yeah, that's a really good option. Okay.
Yeah, I loved this one. Bamboo charcoal. Really great. Okay. Right,
we're gonna go into Nature Secret Herb. So this is probably one that I will personally regularly use. The reason why I love eNature sheet masks is they're super affordable and they're just really good regular use sheet masks. Obviously it contains my favorite ingredient, centella, cica, an ingredient that is still trending heavily in Korea.
So what is that? What is cica? What is centella?
Centella asiatica, it is a herb that basically is known as to be anti-inflammatory. So really good for blemishes, for those suffering from sensitive skin, for those suffering from redness, any irritation. It's known to soothe. A lot of ingredients in a lot of products in Korea will contain centella, and they'll be designed to tackle redness, sensitive skin, or soothe problematic skin.
So this is very healing. So if you've just done
soothing,
a facial or some kind of Pica laser or something,
yes,
throw this on and this will heal your skin even faster.
So I use this one after I derma roll. So on my Instagram, I did a first impressions of derma rolling, which it sounds scary, but it's kind of a tool with, you know, little micro needles, which kind of, obviously you've got to sterilize it before use, but punctures tiny holes in your skin to make the product seep in faster. But obviously afterwards it feels like mild sunburn.
Yes.
And this would be a really good option to use
after sunburn.
Yes. Yeah. Because it's very soothing. Like I said, at £2.20. It's just a really good regular use.
Well, we're going to tell you the prices later.
Yeah.
Because it's quite surprising, especially in my experience of what I like the best. But I really like this too because it was so hydrating.
Yeah, very hydrating sheet mask. Also probably good like after traveling. Because you know after...
So dry.
Yeah, and like sometimes your skin can get really irritated on a flight. That would be a really good one. Yeah. This is probably my favorite one to do before an event.
Ah.
Yeah, I just, first of all, it's pink, so it just looks really nice when you're wearing it.
In case you want to impress somebody while wearing a sheet mask, definitely. But I love this brand. Yeah, they make great products in general.
Yeah, really good. And their store in Seoul is amazing, so do check it out. Really, they actually started off as a biotechnology.
Ah, so there's science behind it.
Exactly.
But this one I found gives you a bit of a glow.
Yes, yeah.
That's why you like it
That's why I like it. And actually, if you look at the ingredients list, it's got like strawberry extracts, raspberry extracts, peach extract. So it's all kind of like fruity, like using natural AHAs from fruits to like really give your skin a really nice glow.
Peachy skin.
Yeah.
Peachy skin. That's great. So this is why it's brightening. All of those extracts also soothe as well.
Yeah, but it's also got sodium hyaluronate, so hyaluronic acid derivative, which basically absorbs 1,000 times more water to the skin than
boosting collagen, etc., hydrating.
So it's hydrating at the same time. Their whole hyaluron range, actually. So we have the Hyaluron Essence Toner, which is one of our best sellers on Beauty and Soul. We're also launching the cream.
I love the toner.
In the autumn.
I use the toner.
Very hydrating. And so this one is, So this one is a good option for those with combination dry skin. And like I said, I like to use it if I want to give my skin a little bit of a glow. And it's pink.
It's pink. So it makes it Jumisu.
Yes, Jumisu, make you smile. We first discovered this brand at the Korean Beauty exhibition a few years ago. And I know the founder really well. And actually the package, I mean, it caught my eye because of the packaging, because obviously there's a little dog, which is actually the owner's dog.
So cute!
I know.
I'm dog obsessed. I love dogs.
And like the barcode is like
it's a bone. It's so cute. Yeah, the packaging.
So the packaging is really cute, but most importantly, I think some Korean products you can get carried away with like, oh, it looks really cute, but actually it hasn't got high quality ingredients, and you know the product fails in that respect. Not this one.
This was 100% natural.
Yeah, and it's made from cupra. So back to your point about wearing a sheet mask that like really sticks to your skin, like this one does not budge. Like cupra is a material that they use, and actually like if you do side-by-side comparison, like this legit stays on.
Yeah.
Like you can vacuum if you want to, you can do whatever you want and it won't slip off.
It says, and cupra is 100% cotton.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Cotton mask. Yeah.
And this is really fortified with vitamin A and E.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. And
which does what for this?
Niacinamide. So soothing, anti-aging, and brightening.
Anti-aging for people like me.
And me.
Looking for the anti-aging. Yes, exactly. I really like this one also. The last one.
Love Shampoo. I think Shampoo is probably the most
it's one of the more famous.
Prestigious brands in Korea. Their Spa and Chongam, their master esthetician, has actually won 120 awards.
Wow.
In the Global Esthetician Awards.
Wow.
So
this is
it's really
serious.
Premium skincare. But they launched this aroma blend range, and the idea is that it has essential oils in. When you open the sheet mask, you take 3 deep breaths of the essential oils. So it's meant to be a treat for the mind and also the skin.
And the soul.
And the soul as well.
Relaxing.
Yeah, I love using this one in the bath.
Yes. Yeah, I love it.
There's 2 varieties. There's the calming and moisturizing.
Yeah,
before bed would be perfect.
And so rose is really good for calming. It's really good for for whitening as well. So if you have any red spots,
Yeah.
it's brightening.
Yeah, definitely. And also Damask Rose is really good at hydrating. So this one is the moisture mask. We also have the Neroli, which has more calming, also has chamomile. So again, for like breakouts, problematic skin, but also to calm your mind. This one
Yes.
is more moisturizing, and then the green version is more soothing.
This one
But
too.
I like the scent of rose. Obviously, if you're sensitive to essential oils or you're sensitive to rose, then probably not for you, but I just find it so
Who doesn't
soothing.
love roses? Oh my gosh, it's so nice just to rub in.
Yeah,
Really,
definitely.
really great.
And there's loads of essence.
Definitely. Yes. So I'm glad you mentioned that, because a lot of people, when they take out the mask, they throw away the bag, but actually there's so much liquid in the bag. I'm like shoving my hand in there, like, you know, and like no, seriously. And like, and even saving it for the next day, and it's like a serum.
Yeah.
And I put it all over my neck, the back of my neck, all over my bust area as well,
Yeah.
and my hands. You know, your hands, you always have to take care of your hands too. So everything that is in this bag you use, just rub it all over your body.
I sometimes like, decant the
Yeah.
serum into like like you say, save it for like
Yeah.
the day after, because a lot
Exactly.
of sheet masks will use the serum or essence that they sell in a bottle in literally with the mask.
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes it can be a two-in-one product, so save the essence.
And I'm even like when you peel the plastic off, I'm like rubbing that plastic on my arms, you know, just to
Yeah.
get all, I like to get my bang for my buck.
Yeah.
No, seriously, because it's all expensive stuff and
Yeah.
really good for you. So
Yeah.
I'm just putting it absolutely everywhere.
Yeah, definitely.
So let's, dun drum roll.
Yeah.
So my personal favorite was,
Claire's.
the Claire's, followed by the Rose.
Yeah.
And then I have to say the Judy,
Yeah.
and then the Han
Yeah.
Skin, and then the Chica Herb.
Interesting.
Yeah. But I would have to say these three were very, very tight in comparison. I really loved them all.
Yeah. And these three are really good. And the Claire's actually regularly use sheet masks.
Yeah.
So if you want to have like an injection of moisture to the skin, or your skin's feeling really dull, then these
I mean,
are
if
great
anything,
options.
all of them hydrate so completely well.
Yeah.
And especially if your skin is thirsty, I just feel it like being sucked in and sucked in. Yeah.
Yeah.
In 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes.
I mean, 20 minutes max. I just get really bored when I have my sheet mask on. I normally only last like 12 to 15 minutes.
That's
And I'm
perfect,
like,
right?
Because I don't want it to get to the point where
It starts drying on
dries
your
up.
face,
Yeah.
and then you get a wrinkle. Like where I've done that when I've forgotten, I've lost
You're
track
right.
of time, and like you have to like peel the mask off. So that's something you don't want to do. And sometimes the mask does leave a little bit of a mark,
Yeah.
an indentation, which obviously goes away.
And you don't want to do that, because actually if the mask dries up, then it starts drawing back out the moisture from your skin, which is the exact opposite result of what
So
you're trying
15,
to
20
achieve.
minutes max.
Yeah,
Yes.
15-20 minutes max. You know, it's totally up to you how frequently you sheet mask. I like to have a range of sheet masks just to tackle any skincare concerns. So if my skin is feeling dry, then I'll opt for a moisturizing one. If it's feeling clogged up, I'll, you know, maybe use a charcoal one. If I'm stressed, I will use my aroma one. So, you know, it's good to have a little bit of a choice.
And then price range. What are we looking at here, Maree?
So, your favorite one,
Yes.
how much did you think it would?
I would say £7. £5? No.
$2.70.
Oh my gosh. Cheap and cheerful. I love it. Even I love it more now. Okay.
So funny.
Okay, that's awesome.
So
Okay.
probably the most premium one is the Hunskin.
Oh, I was thinking this one. Okay.
Yeah.
All
so
right.
Hunskin.
Most expensive.
$4.50.
$4.50. Okay. And then probably this one next, most expensive.
£3.
And then this one? No.
£2.70.
£2. Same price as this. And then this one.
£2.20.
Oh, so this one's the cheapest. Okay. In order of price range. Wow.
Yeah. And I think
I don't have expensive taste, obviously. I'm a cheap date, you know? Here we go. Okay.
I would say probably like, oh, it's so hard to choose actually. I can't pick one. I mean, my heart will always go with Shankri. It's rose,
just smells
it's beautiful,
so good.
It smells like a spa.
Yeah.
I love the whole ethos of being a treat for the mind and also your skin as
I
well.
love that too.
Yeah.
Because beauty comes from within as well.
Exactly. So yeah, I definitely like that. But none of these are over a fiver, which
Yeah,
is quite
I love
good.
it.
Top tips. Only use it for about 15 to 20 minutes maximum. Read the instructions about removing the film and taking off the backing sheet. Save the essence because a lot of the time, like I said, it's the serum or essence used for that brand that they've infused the sheet mask with. So keep that, put it all over. You can store some in the fridge, so I think these two would be great options to store in the fridge. And then use in hot days, really soothing on the skin. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Any questions on sheet masks, let me know. Let us know as well, like what your favorite sheet mask is, and if you've tried any of these as well, I'd love to hear.
And we're gonna be doing a giveaway.
Yes.
Where you're gonna win all 5 of these.
Yes.
And the details will be listed online so you can know how to enter.
Yeah.
Yay. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.